So I wanted to do another feature of this St. Patrick's Day mini meal dinner, and what I prepared, this plate is actually for my mother. What I have prepared is a brisket flavored ground turkey sausage, little mini loaves, and also a mixture of kale and cabbage and onions. And then we have sweet potatoes, and they are with cinnamon and ghee. And then for the beverage, we have ginger beer, and it is garnished with lime. And so I'm going to share just a little bit about how I prepared this meal. So I created my own brisket rub, and I mixed that in with the ground turkey sausage. And then I used the drippings from the meat to actually make the glaze. It's just a little glaze, and what I did was in the skillet, took those drippings and added some flour, and then just brought it to a simmer, and then I topped it on the meat and put it back in the air fryer, because these actually were prepared in the air fryer. And for the cabbage and kale and onion mix, what I did was in the skillet, I added ghee and also some chicken-based better than bouillon, and just allowed it to cook in there. I did add seasoning, of course, and I'll have the seasonings below that I used. And so just allowed that to come to a nice skillet style stir fry, but it's more of a soft stir fry. And then we have sweet potatoes, and as I mentioned before, that these sweet potatoes, the seasoning for these are cinnamon and ghee. And then the ginger beer, and I'll list the brand of the ginger beer, as well, and it is garnished with lime. So I just wanted to just share a little bit about this, and as I mentioned, I will have the recipe below, but I hope that everyone's having a great, happy St. Patrick's Day, and I look forward to being back with you soon to share more mini meals.